Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a spring clean with me. So as you can see in this area, it's not really that dirty, especially not in the entryway, but as we make our way to the laundry room, this is where it all begins. I have loads and loads of clothes to do, and the laundry room is very junky right now. And here we are in the kitchen. And this is where everything is getting crazy. So, as you guys can see, my cabinet is painted white. We plan on doing an epoxy countertop, so the white is going to change, but I just wanted to show you guys, look, all this stuff all over the counter, and these paint swatches, or I don't know if you want to call them that, but these are the two colors that I'm thinking of going for. I want to do the island like this dark gray color or something like that. I'm not too sure, but I'm torn between those three colors. So on this side over here, this is for the bathroom. We are doing a bathroom renovation, so we're going to be putting that as backsplash around the tub. And these tiles have to be changed out because once we do the epoxy countertops, that is an off-white, so I need to get actual white tiles, subway tiles for the backsplash for the kitchen. So we're just going to do a little walkthrough so you guys can see what we're working with before we go ahead and jump right into the video. I have a lot of Easter stuff on the table, and oh, there's my baby boy Hurley. Isn't he the cutest? So, yeah, you see all this laundry and things that need to be folded. The couch looks an absolute mess, okay? But it's okay. So let's jump right in. So here I am, I'm just sorting the laundry. I like to do this before I start a load because I don't want to mix my clothes with Cody's work clothes because he has like paint and dirt and like all kind of stuff all over them. So, and then also I don't like washing my clothes with the other towels that we have because sometimes it can really mess up, you know, a good blouse or shirt that you may have. So. It's so hard to decide. I don't know about you guys, but I really like using the Downy Unstoppables, and I absolutely love the Persil liquid detergent. I think it keeps your clothes fresh and they stay clean. So as you guys can see, it is nighttime. Cody and I have, we went to the store that night, and so we got some dinner to cook, and so right here I'm just putting up everything that we got from the store and just kind of trying to tidy up around the kitchen. At me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I missed a treat. Well, the taste is bitter. So I finally got my Fabletics order in. I will be doing a try-on haul for us curvy girls, so be on the lookout for that. Share my lipstick, taste my breath. So I need to be doing some type of organization to my Tupperware. I swear if you guys could see it, you'd probably scream. And it's so hard to store Tupperware. So if you guys have any ideas or pictures from Pinterest or anything, please be sure to let me know in the comments below. I am using the Method antibacterial spray. So I like to use this on my countertops because it is antibacterial, so I do let this sit for 10 minutes before I wipe it off. I know they have the Caldrea countertop spray, and even though it smells really good, I'm just all about getting the germs off, so I will normally spray my countertops down with the Method antibacterial spray, and then for the fragrance, I will go back with the Caldrea spray. And my favorite scents are sea salt neroli and the fresh, I want to say it's balsam birch, which is a Christmas fragrance. He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. Laundry, loads of fun. So I don't really mind folding towels, but it's just like folding everything else because towels take a short amount of time. Little baby Hurley. So yeah, folding towels isn't that bad. It's just everything else, and I always feel like laundry is literally never ever ending. Boys be boys, ain't no excuse, babe. Now hey you, oh hey you, I know you can find someone better. Oh hey you, oh hey So I have completed doing my Easter haul, and my table is actually like a catch-all for all of that stuff. So I do have a few DIY projects coming up. So I'm making sure I get the table clear so that way I can go in with my Method antibacterial spray and spray the table down. So that is all for today's spring clean with me. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a blessed and wonderful day.